This is the fresh point given. Background I'll explain you now. Just see. This is the area party called up the old borewell. You can see inside of the paya. This is right round. Their boundary. Came for cleaning. Whatever the job, starting if you do puja will be better. They have done nice puja.
Super, super.
Then we start to do the cleaning. Just see that video is attached in this.
ಈ ಥರ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
The output water is only 1 inch came. I'm not satisfied. I told the customer, sir, I know divining. Shall I do the point? Yes, he's agreed. I have done given fresh point. After that, they told they did 2-3 points nearby. They didn't get the water. Mine is not like it will come water. See the cleaning. Here I given very short video. For cleaning, I'll give you big video, details video. Next uploaded video. This is my regular team. My team doing the cleaning. This is third time we given the air pressure. It's not the first time. Third time we given that. Third time, what we expect that much in water comes. We won't give any misguiding in our duties. Not much silt in this borewell. The output may be 1 inch. I'll confirm with my divining report. It's coming out. Just see the full video. This is site is near Bommanhalli. I came for borewell cleaning. The old borewell is not that much water, 1 inch water only. So I tried to give new point. Just I'm giving it. The background site only they told first party. Then they told 8,000 square feet. I had about 800 square feet. Anyway, I'll check the whole area. I got only 1 point. Just see my map dowsing method.
4 ಇಂಚು 3.5 3 ಇಂಚು 2.5 2 ಇಂಚು 1.5 ಈಗ ಹಳೆ ಬೋರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಂದು 1 ಇಂಚು ನೀರು ಇರೋದು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಇಂಚು ನೀರು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಜಾಗನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸರಿನಾ? ಈಗ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
See, first I tried to with the sprit juice bottle. In this full gas is there. I know that as per my map dowsing borewell water point, and that basically I am moving that the particular place comes, it will fall down. See, this fell down. Map dowsing also showed same place only. Actually, myself I am wondering how is getting that. See, this is the point. Map dowsing almost is stalling. This is without gas. There is with gas green color. The white bottle is without gas. This is juice bottle. The white one is ordinary water. He's got fell downing. Now immediately I tried with geoliquidator for second opinion. See, very easy to do that. If you go direction, automatically rotate. So on that way we have to go. If it is again, it will tell you the direction. Like that only we have to move. It's moving that side. Through this locator, we can find out, locate the point very easily. See, in that particular place only getting rotated. Other places not moving. It will show you the direction only. I went to that particular down point also. The condition is very bad. Even though I went inside, why I mean the direction shown like that, we're not getting that much movement in that particular old borewell. So we have to judge like very less water. So movement is very less. When in comparing that particular point, the fresh point, this movement is very less. Water is there. If there is dry, it won't get movement. On risky place also I have done my duty. Then again I came and test this fresh point. That will be nice. Rotation also moving very nicely. Then I went and searched the whole area. First they are told this is the boundary, then they told some more boundaries there. Not small one, big one. Even though no problem, once we committed and start the work, we have to finish with party satisfaction. That is main. But they have to tell well in advance. First I've seen the map dowsing. I put the owner name. I marked the place. Only that site only. In that place only they got the water. See the direction showing to the fresh point only. House get moving, just see. We need not to bother. It will show you which direction and which direction we have to change again. If there is jointings there, it will get rotation. Little vibrate also will come. You have to take care of that time. From there I went the long back showing this direction only. Direction going that way only. I went and checked up that old borewell. I got dirty in my chapel. Just I'm cleaning that. That also party taken the video. Normally wherever I will go, party has to take the video. That is my humble request. My assistant is there. They will take the video. But all the time they won't available. Sometimes party only taken it. See, party covered this also. I cleaning my leg. Adjusting my chapel. Again continue to do the work. Again I came to the old fresh bore point. See how they're nicely rotating it. This place I didn't did the pendulum, even though just doing cross checking whether better point is there, I can give it. See, now party is telling that you have done few borewell neighbors, they did get the water. I'll check out the whole area.
ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವ್ರು 3 ಹಾಕಿದಾರ, ನೀರಿಲ್ಲ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಳೆ ಬೋರ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Again I'm moving to the what I gave point that place only. I'm moving it. It's showing that direction only. What I will do, see here some wave is going, that's why I'm coming back. Again the rotation changed after this. After this layer is changed to that particular point only showing. Who is knowing divining, if that person taken this machine will be better to can use. Unknown person, we cannot use this type of machine. They should have some knowledge about divining, L-rod, coconut,
ಇರೋ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗ ನೀರು ಅದನ್ನು 2 ಇಂಚು
minimum some experience.
ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಅಂದಾಜು.
See how it's getting nicely rotating.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ.
So we need not to check with further person. This itself you have to take in as a second opinion. Then try to start with the pendulum. Just see.
90 ಇಂದ 100 ಫೀಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೇಸಿಗೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದರೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ. $640 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ $900 ಈ ಕಡೆ $1,180 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅರ್ಧ 3 ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾಡಿ 1.5 ಇಂಚು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ. ಸರಿನಾ? ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬರೋದು ಲಪ್ಪು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಕಂಬಿ ಗಿಂಬಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಆಯಿತು.
ಸರಿನಾ? ಪೆಂಡಲಮ್ಮು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು 1.5 ಇಂಚು. ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 2 ಸಲ ವೀಡಿಯೋ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 1.5 ಇಂಚನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡೋದು. ನೀರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನೀರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಓಕೆ,
ನೀರು ಐತೆ.